Hi, Clement from South Tech Reviews, and I'm particularly excited today with regards to this one. Just by looking at it, I'm already excited because I know it's a green color and I love the color green. It's in the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Device, a USB-C to USB-C cable, booklet, Samsung Care, and that's about it. As you can see, that's an empty box. So with the plastic removed, this is what the device looks like. Once again, the edition of the S Pen is here. It's very note reminiscent. This is the start of the show. This is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. From this point forward, this device is going to be my daily driver. I'd love to hear some questions from the community. But for now, while this device is unboxed, town is having a super hot day. And no better place to be than at the beach. And why not test out a new camera at the beach? So, for you out there, please don't forget to wash your hands, keep safe, and we'll chat in the next one. Goodbye.